Hi, I'm Allison Craig, a physical therapist specializing in pelvic health, and this is Sarah Landis, also a physical therapist and a board-certified women's health specialist. As PTs who work in the clinic daily, working with women who are in the perimenopause, menopause phase of life, we know and understand the transition can feel overwhelming. Between hot flashes, sleep struggles, bladder changes, bone and muscle loss, and the nagging question of, is this normal? That's why we created the 8-week Menopause Masterclass Fitness and Wellness series. This course includes educational modules covering everything from hormones, bone health, intimacy, pelvic health, strength, and more. It also includes 2 workout videos each week specifically designed for the perimenopause, menopause stage of life, and live weekly Q&A calls with both of us so you can ask your questions and get expert support. Our goal is to help you feel stronger, more confident, and in control of your body during this stage of life and beyond. We're especially excited to invite you to be part of our very first cohort, our founding group. By joining now, you'll not only get access to expert guidance, but also shape this program for the many women who will follow in your footsteps.